This is the book a repair menu page, and let's book a repair. Now you have to have added a vehicle to your profile in order to book a repair. But if you have not, you can simply click on the button here which says add a new vehicle, or if the vehicle you want to book a repair for has not been added to your profile yet, you can click on this button which says add a new vehicle to add this vehicle to your profile and book a repair for it. After clicking on the button, you get the add vehicle form, which after filling out this form, you can add the vehicle to your profile. Let's proceed to book a repair. First of all, you have to select the vehicle you want to book a repair for. Then select the services you want to have for that vehicle. After you have selected the vehicle and the services you wish to have, click on the continue button to go to the next step. Here it uses your location and shows you repair stations near you. But if it is not using your location at the moment, you can click on the button at the top here which says use current location, and this is going to show you repair stations that are closest to you. Here you have a repair station. So let's proceed with this station by clicking on the button which says select this station. After the station has been selected, you can click on the continue button to move to the next step. Here you have to select a date and time for your booking. Right below, you are going to be shown a list of alternative repair stations. These are repair stations that offer the services that you are looking for. Click on the continue button to move to the next step, which is reviewing the information which you have imputed. Here you can go through all of the information, and if you wish to add more services, you can click on the button here which says add more right under the service section. It takes you to the vehicle information form where you can add a new service to the services you already selected. You also have the edit button to edit the vehicle information as well as the schedule for this booking. After you are done editing your information, if you wish to edit your information, click on the continue button to move to the next step. Now you have to select the payment method, which is either paying online or paying at the station. Click pay at the station and continue. Here you have the message telling you your booking is successful. Please get your tracking code below. You can copy your tracking code here, and you also have a button which says view all appointments, and this will take you to the appointment menu page.